We're going to do our density column lab, and as you can see, I've got my ingredients here. So I have some corn syrup, some dish detergent, some cooking oil, some plain water that I just dyed red so we can tell the difference, and then some rubbing alcohol. And we're going to put them into our graduated cylinder individually and see what happens. So I'm first going to start out with pouring the corn syrup in because it's pretty thick and it doesn't like to come out of the syringe very well. So I'm going to use about 20 milliliters of each ingredient. And when I put it in my graduated cylinder, I try to put it in the middle so it doesn't touch the sides, and pour it as carefully as possible. So that looks to be right about 20 milliliters. So I'm going to pull that up, wipe that off real quick. Okay, then I'm going to do my dish soap. So this is a little bit easier to use with the syringe. So each one of these is right about 10 milliliters. So I can slowly add that to the corn syrup. And again, I want to try to add it right to the middle. So that was 10 milliliters. Let me get a little bit more. So now we've got 20. Okay, so now I've done my dish soap. I'm going to do my cooking oil. And again, I'm going to drop it right in the middle. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to get is my water. And again, I just used some food coloring to turn it red, so it's easier to see when we add it into our density columns. And as you see, you can see it kind of mixing. And that's just because of the force that's being put on it when it's coming out of the syringe. If I do it really slow, you should see where it goes. And you can see the little drops in it where gravity's pulling it down. And my last substance is my rubbing alcohol. And so let me fill up my syringe with this one. And add this to the middle where it doesn't get on the sides. And one more. And we're just about out of room in this graduated cylinder. But as you can see, when you look at the graduated cylinder, you can see the different layers in it. You can see at the bottom we have our corn syrup. Then we have our dish soap. And right now it's a little mixed up, but it looks like we have our water kind of mixed in with our cooking oil for right now. But we'll give that some time and check on this tomorrow. And then we have our water and rubbing alcohol here at the top. So this is just what it looks like as we mix it. We're going to leave it here and then we will check back on it tomorrow.